Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Normally we have things new, but today we don't have something new. We've got something that's kind of old. Exit buttons. Now, before we were actually getting them through a different manufacturer, and they were retailing for about $45 a piece. The good news about this is we've got these ones, and these ones are retailing for about $25 a piece plus tax. So there's a big difference there. One of the other differences is the plate is removable compared to some of the other ones. It's a pop-on, pop-off plate, so you just got to pop it off. Like so. Below there you'll find two screws, and these are the standard screws which are used on all standard PowerPoints. The next thing about this is the footprint of this. As you can see, you've got the four diagonal spots, you've also got the top and bottom, and you've got the outer top and bottom as well. So that means that you get any plate or lifter plate from any hardware, Australian sort of standards, and it's just going to fit straight on top, and the footprint's going to be straight over the top. So that's good. For this one here, it's just two screws, top and bottom. You come through, you put your plate on, and it looks very nice. If you use a lifter plate, you can always put your 20mm cable conduit coming through the side, and they fit in nicely. If not, you can just carve a hole in the wall and put it in the standard way you put it in any other type of plate or anything like that. Now the button itself, the size on the button is quite large, so it's nice and easy, used for exiting, about 40mm. It protrudes about 28mm. The actual plate itself is a standard footprint plate for Australian plates, so you're talking 11.5 to about 7.5, all the standards. So all your standard plates are all going to have the same sort of footprint, and these ones do. The best thing about it is the price. They're coming in about 25, plus there is a bit of room to move if people want more than 20 or 30 of them. And we do have quite a bit of stock of them, so that's a really good thing. So these plates here, ready to go. They're on our lock shop, drlock.com.au. Go to the store and you can find them from there. I'll put the link down in the description. There's circuitry on it. Now I'm going to do just a quick little example for you. So I've just hooked up the multimeter to it, and we'll just put it on buzz. When the button is pressed, it creates contact. Okay, we also can do them a different way of normally closed, where the circuit is always touching, and when it's pressed it breaks the circuit. But for most common applications it's always normally open circuit, and this is a normally open circuit where you see the tester is here and the plugs are going in both sides, and when the button is pushed it creates that contact. That's what we call a normally open circuit, and the opposite to that is basically when the button is pushed it'll break the circuit. So these buttons come in normally open, but if you do have a special requirement, please email us. We might be able to help you out with it. Okay, so yeah, we have a whole heap of these on our website, and the price is right. They're nicely labelled. These are actually all engraved, so they look good. They go on a standard spot, two wires to hook them up. The protrusion of the button on the back, let's just give you a bit of an idea on that. You're looking about 30mm, and the wires are from the side. They got these terminals, so you simply just put your wire in there, tighten them up, and away you go. So you could wall mount it, surface mount it, if you're willing to cut out the switch in the back, or you could simply just use a standard lifter plate, available for about $3 to $5 from any hardware. Put it over the top, and they make a nice button. You can use this for automatic doors, roller doors, gates, you name it, just about anything you want. And yeah, they're made of that ABS plastic, I believe it is, so they're nice, weatherable, durable, and ready to go. Leave your comments down below, and thanks for watching.